morning! Today we're going to make a hydroponic garden for Family Handyman. My name's Karuna and I'll be making it with my partner Steve. We're going to try to make a compact version that can fit into a small home or apartment so everyone can enjoy great greens year-round. Let's get started! A lot of people go for lettuce and chard in hydroponic gardens. We have a little bit of that going on, but we also have some pepper plants and some strawberry plants, all of which also do really well in hydroponic gardens. And of course your herbs and spices do fantastically in them as well. Here's some really nice Italian parsley. This is an interesting one we're going to try. This is called culantro, C-U-L-A-N-T-R-O. It's a spice native to the Caribbean, Latin America, as well as Asia. So here we have two sizes of net pot. The smaller ones are better for things like chard and lettuce that are only going to be in there a short time while they're growing. And the larger ones are better for things like strawberries and peppers and other plants that you're going to have in there for quite a while as they continue to produce fruit and vegetables. Okay, so what I've done here is remove the soil from the roots of the plant because hydroponics doesn't use soil. And we're going to replace that with a growing medium right here, which is rock wool, and put it in the net pot right here. And here we have the holes marked that we're about to drill for where the cups go in, the growing cups. So these are the holes drilled for the water piping. These two are 1 3/4. And these two, one is 1 3/4 and one is 1 1/4. So part of this process that's a pain is having to pry out the PVC between every drilling. After you drill the holes, it helps to smooth it with some sandpaper just to get all those little hairy things out. These are going to connect the two PVC fence posts that we have and to form a horseshoe. Putting in the last of the water pieces here. This one is supposed to be at about 45 degrees. And this one as well. Now the exciting part, we're filling the reservoir with water, getting ready to put the plants in.